Musati imimi mapurisa anorambidza vanhu kusaina kana kukanyorwa leta yedemonstration chii, because vakagara vatoisa mutemo wekuti mukaenda izvozvi pa1700 laws yeconstitution yezimbabwe kunoti vana mutemo wakanyorwa ende ukatosainiwa ukatenderanwa muconstitution yavo kuti hakuna munhu anosaina a letter for the application of demonstration, because these people, they agree with us, we are right for them to lead them. Now if they want to do the demonstration, what is wrong? Because we agree we are the best people, we are the best political party to rule this country. No, but now they are wondering. You can go now, take the constitution book from number 1 to 1700 laws. What are they have it? You can find it. That's why they are not signed in quicker, but they don't have to fix the break-up relationship between the Shona and Ndebele. They don't want to fix the breakup of the relationship of the white people and the Ndebele and the Shona in the ZANU-PF. They are putting all breakup for the all four political people. A white, it's a political party. And Ndebele is a political party. A Shona is a political party. A ZANU-PF is another political party. For those four political parties, you have one political party, you mismanagement to rule the country. ZANU-PF. Who can, which one you can point it now? You can say this one is better than anyone to rule this country, and you cannot have a corruption. Who? Which one? If you can, you have one of them, put here on the front, on the platform. We can see. I can tell you. I can interview him. He cannot answer. Because most of them, they are do like a cat of the toy. A cat of the toy. He cannot. Haingagoni kuzvikumira yega. You cannot. Kana kuti haingagoni kuzvikumira yega. Inotokumirwa nomunhu kuti buu. Iri ng'ombe kurova kuti ng'ombe yechitoyi kana kuti ng'ombe yevhu nomirirwa kukumirwa. Saka vanhu veZANU-PF hakuna munhu anondosvika achitaura zvinhu zvisina kutaurwa nomukuru wavo kuti izvi ndo zvatinoda, izvi ndo zvatinotenderana. Saka chamunoona kana munhu wese ari kuZANU-PF then akakona kutevedzera mashoko aanenge audzwa kunzi andotaura kucommunity kana kuti kuma-citizens. If he come back, they are fire him. Why? They are thinking about is against him. Now we use the word about worse or weaker people. They are saying you are weaker people because you don't want to speak about our leader said. But how can a normal person, he can follow the stupid people to listen and to speak that nonsense speech? You can give to the people, to the citizens, but also yourself. You don't have enough clothing, a better clothing. You don't have a better shoe. You don't have a better socks. You don't have even a kepi. You don't have even a badge. Even food where you live every fucking single day. Past